Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Jan. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So say something about you, Janvi, in brief.
Okay. So, thank you for allowing me to introduce myself. I am Janvi Sharma, born and raised in Udaipur, Rajasthan. I completed my schooling from St. Mary's Convent Senior Secondary School. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in Civil Engineering from Gitanji Institute of Technical Studies, and my aggregate percentage is 85%. I have done training in AutoCAD and placement and preparation trainings. I've also done an offline training at PWD Chittorgarh, where I learned about various tests associated with building materials. I have interned as a content writer as well for 2 months. I'm co-author of research paper entitled Surface Water Quality Trends and Multiple Regression through SPSS in Udaipur. I've also done 7 NPTEL courses in technical and non-technical domain with 2 silver and 5 elite certificates. I'm not only passionate about the field I'll be graduating in, I'm also inclined towards other creative activities such as blogging, playing sports, dancing, etc. That was it about me. Thank you.
Okay. Or what you know about Pinnacle Infotech?
Pinnacle is a global MNC who has its headquarters in Italy, Switzerland, India, and UAE, and they work on various softwares including AutoCAD and BIM. That's it.
Okay. What is the role of civil engineer in that specific organization?
Uh, we are placed as on the profile of trainee engineer, and the company will be training us for like a few months, I guess, and then we have to work on 3D modeling.
What is basically 3D moduling? What it is like so?
It deals with the designing of structures beforehand, before the construction actually takes place.
Okay.
So to get an idea of how a building will actually look like in a 3D
Why
model.
you have chosen civil engineering?
I had a similar background, like my father is a civil engineer too, and my maternal grandfather also, he belonged to same field. So that was where my interest started in civil engineering. But
How? Okay. Yes.
and then there also I had like similar interests. I decided to opt for either for CSE or for civil engineering, but went with civil engineering at last.
How civil engineering is contributing to the national growth?
So be it infrastructure related thing or maintenance of any heritage site, it is contributing to the economy. That's definitely one point. But if we talk about the water supply, then civil engineering is actually contributing in every field, like maintenance of roads, transportation system.
Okay. Now, recently, government has come up with one plan that is known as the Super Express Highway from Delhi to Mumbai, direct highway, which is known as a Super Express Highway. What does it mean? What does it basically? It is a 6 lane, 8 lane, or what it is? You have an idea
I'm
about it or not?
sorry, sir. No, sir, I don't have any idea.
You are not knowing it. So, you read newspaper or not?
No, sir.
So, where you get the information?
Through Google News and like hearing it in
So, directly
television.
you go to the Google and you search what latest news or what
No,
is like
if there are like I search about what are the current trends, topics that are going on. Yes, sir.
what is your hobbies, Janvi?
I love blogging, dancing, and playing sports as well.
Playing sports. What kind of sport it is?
I was part of my under 19 baseball team at school level, and I play basketball, cricket, javelin throw for fun.
Okay, Janvi, nice talking to you.
Same here, sir.
I'll request the next panelist, Rathod sir, to take your next part of the interview.
Good afternoon, Janvi.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm also okay. Two things about civil engineering which attract you the most?
Um, like the maximum work is related to field engineering. Like you can actually see what's happening, like what construction is all about, and then you can see the construction of all the buildings that are happening in front of you.
Two qualities of your father which you adore the most.
He's very hardworking and true to his principles.
And
True to his principles.
principles. Okay. What is he doing?
He's posted at PWD Chittorgarh.
Okay. So he is working with the government.
Yes, sir.
So you're not interested in a government job then?
I am interested in a government job.
Okay. Then why Pinnacle?
Very honestly speaking, uh, I have a aim of clearing GATE and pursuing master. Like I have two aims. The first one being going for masters, and the second one securing a government job. I can't imagine myself working in a private job.
Why?
I just feel that it isn't that secure when compared to a government job, and this is the reason why I have always dreamt of being a government employee rather than working in a private organization.
Where have you done your schooling from, Janvi?
St. Mary's Convent Senior Secondary School.
Okay. St. Mary's. Which batch?
Yes, 2018 batch.
2018 batch. Okay. So that means many of your classmates would have passed out now, those who have opted for a 3-year degree course.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many of them are close friends of yours?
I have like two and three close friends. One
Only
of
two,
them
three.
is, yeah, very close. I'm talking about very close ones.
Okay.
Some of them are in medical
And
line.
not very close कितने हैं?
There are many,
Many means what?
maybe like eight or nine something.
8 or 9. How many of them are opting for government jobs?
Three of them are preparing for government jobs because they belong to a similar field. Rest of them are from either from medical branch or they are pursuing CA and
सीए
CAC
तो
branch.
गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लिए नहीं तैयारी कर रहे होंगे.
No, sir, they aren't preparing for government job.
Yeah. So that is what I was coming to. That why a government job? Because most of the youngsters these days are preferring corporate jobs rather than government jobs. Anyone who is good, who has a good hold of his subject, I have personally seen they opting for good firms. They want to go to Google. They want to work for
Yes.
Infosys. They want for TCS or Tata or even many other firms. So I still don't understand this craze for government jobs when it comes to civil engineering and electrical engineering.
So I think there
I
are
have been
two
asking this
main.
question to many students whom I interview, but I'm not getting the answer actually.
Sir, according, like in my opinion, the number of vacancies as compared to other fields, these are much higher in civil and electrical branch.
Okay.
Plus, I think being it core branch, working under government is far more better than working in a private organization.
Okay.
Plus, CS branch is something that is related entirely with the computer work. I think so. And this is why they opt for going to a private organization.
Okay. Nice talking to you, Janvi. I think you
Same
are
here,
quite
sir.
clear about what you want to do. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Janvi,
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
good afternoon. So you did your industrial training in PWD, right?
Yes, sir.
So what are the responsibilities of a site engineer?
A site engineer has to check everyday work, like whatever there's a list associated that is being followed and regulated. Then he has to check the quality control as well, quality control of work, and the testing, whatever the testing that are being tested on the, for example, if it is a some slum cone test we take for concrete, So that entire test has to be done under his guidance, his or her guidance.
Okay. So is there any risk factors for workers on construction site?
Yes, sir. There
Please
are.
list out.
There can be slips if one is working at a certain height, then slip, trips, and falls. Sudden falling objects that are being mm, person can be hit from a falling object, so hard hats must be worn. Then trenches should be covered because that again a person can fall into it. That's it.
Okay, good. So please tell me the names of software which are used in construction sector.
AutoCAD, then Revit, StatPro, ETABS, 3D Max. That's it.
Okay. So did you use these softwares in
I
past?
have used AutoCAD.
Okay. So what is AutoCAD?
It's basically designing and drafting software that are used extensively with by civil engineers, not civil engineers, that are being used by electrical engineers and mechanical engineers as well, and by architects too. It, one can usually draw a 2D or a 3D model with the help of this software.
Okay. So what do you mean by fillet?
Fillet is a command that is used when two lines are present and we want to join them in a curved manner. That is fillet with the
Okay,
help
good.
of an arc.
Good, good. Janvi, if I want to increase the size of text in AutoCAD, so
Yes, sir.
which type of command I use? I will
Um,
use which type of command?
I'm sorry, sir. I don't recall.
Okay. So you have any knowledge about polar tracking?
Polar tracking, a little bit like it is used to specify the cursor movement and
Yes.
the point that we are defining, it is defined with a reference point, another reference point.
Okay. Janvi, please tell me what are the different types of foundation?
And there are two main types of foundation: shallow and deep foundation. Shallow foundation transfer the load that are being transferred from the superstructure to a little depth as compared to deep foundations.
Okay. Do you ever heard about hybrid foundation?
No, sir, I don't know about it.
Okay. Okay. What is reinforced cement concrete?
Reinforced cement concrete is, we all know that concrete is good in compression, but it lacks its tensile strength. So, to counteract it, reinforcement is used in concrete so that the tensile property of concrete can be maintained. So, it actually means strengthening the concrete.
Okay. Is there
Using
any substitute for steel bars in reinforced cement concrete?
bamboo can be used to an extent, but
Okay.
it isn't adopted as of now. Like there aren't
Why?
any codes or coded provision aren't present for the same.
So जानवी टेक्निकल अच्छा है आपका टेक्निकल नॉलेज अच्छी है आपकी ठीक है आपको थोड़ा
Thank
सा
you, sir.
इम्प्रूव जो करना है वो सॉफ्टवेयर के अलावा जो आपने सब्जेक्ट बताए हैं मतलब जो आप बात कर रहे हैं जैसे कॉन्क्रीट की या फिर फाउंडेशन वगैरह की तो थोड़ा सा इसमें डिटेल में आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा
Okay, sir.
ठीक है बाकी आपका
Okay, sir.
टेक्निकल अच्छा है
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Janvi.
Yes, sir.
So confidence level is good. Style
Thank
of
you, sir.
answering, style of answering, tone, tenor, everything fine, absolutely fine, no problems, right? We
Thank
haven't
you,
seen
sir.
you in the GD, so please go through the mock GDs and prepare yourself,
Sure, sir.
right? And maybe a little more clarity, because since you are sitting for the campus placement, right? So please don't disclose your ultimate aim of joining the government services in case you are wanting to get placed here.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Janvi,
Yes, sir.
overall performance is quite satisfactory, right?
Thank you, sir.
The way you were answering is also good, but many general awareness questions you could not give the answer. So that is very important, whether you want to go for the government job or the private jobs.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
When you thought about GATE and these kind of steps, also this is also mandatory. And be focused. No doubt it's a mock, so you have tell that you want to go for GATE, but when you sit for the job interview, then definitely your focus interview must be in that flow where it has to be seen that you want to get a job only,
Okay, sir.
right?